Hello and welcome to our madam. My name is Nufai Shahana binti Muhammad Noor. My matrix number is 08DEP22F1092 and this is my group member.
Hi, my name is Siti Nur Nabila binti Rosli and my matric number is 08DEP22F1002.
My name is Nurul Fashada binti Mama Anwar. My matric number is 08DEP22F1015.
My name is Nur Aishaila binti Ahmad Nazaruddin. My matric number is 08DEP22F1058.
Introduction. A hydraulic lift is a device for moving objects using force created by pressure on a liquid inside a cylinder that moves a piston upward. Incompressible oil is pumped into the cylinder, which forces the piston upward. When a valve opens to release the oil, the piston lowers by gravitational force. These projects are done under the topic of solid and fluid and also by a principle called the Pascal principle.
What is solid and fluid? Solid. In terms of particle arrangement, the particles are arranged closely, densely, regularly, and in contact at a fixed position and according to a certain arrangement pattern. Fluid. The particles in the liquid are not arranged in an orderly manner. An arrangement of the particles is less close but still in contact. Therefore, it is found that more empty spaces exist between particles when compared to solids. Here, the particles are free to move. Groups of particles can slide over each other but only in certain areas.
Physics principle. Natural science that involves the study of matter and its motion through space-time, along with related concepts such as energy and force. More broadly, it is the general analysis of nature conducted in order to understand how the universe behaves.
Pascal principle. This project has resulted in Pascal principle. Pascal law states that when there is an increase in the pressure at any point in a confined fluid, there is an equal increase at every other point in the container.
Formula of Pascal principle are force divided by area.
The objective of our project is to build a product that uses the Pascal principle. And also, concept of the Pascal principle will make it easier for us all. We can apply this principle in our daily lives.
This is our project diagram. This project has facing forward, from the top, and facing backward. The pole is 20.5 cm in height and 3.7 cm wide. And the floor is 21 cm times 27 cm.
How does it work? A hydraulic system works by applying force at one point to an incompressible liquid, which sends force to a second point. The process involves two pistons that are connected by an oil-filled pipe. The F1 is a push-down force, meanwhile the A1 is an area of P. F2 is an upward force, and A2 is an area of P.
Material and cost. In our project, we use 2 big shrink and 2 small shrink with the price RM6.50. And then, we buy 2 cardboard with the price RM7. Lastly, we buy half meter tube with the price RM1.50. The total all this material is RM15.
To start, this project needed some equipment to be successfully built. First, we need hot glue gun, scissors, glue, 2 big and 2 small syringe, a half-meter tube, and also a piece of a big cardboard. First, we need to measure and divide the cardboard into 4 sections so that it will be the same length. After that, I then proceed to cut the cardboard using the line as a guide. I also cut out a more smaller piece of cardboard to be the left floor. Next, I'm using the cutter to to cut the cardboard and divide it into 4 straight lines for it to be a box-shaped pole. After that, I'm using the glue to glue it together so that it will be a pole. Repeat the process so that we have 2 poles with the same wide, height and length. For the lift floor to be functional, I glue the base of the cardboard to the bottom of the flat surface of the syringe. Then, after I'm done gluing both of the small syringe to the lift floor, I then measure the height of the syringe to the pole so that it will be in the right place. Then, I use the hot glue gun to glue the syringe to the pole on both sides. After that, the bottom of the pole then can be glued to the piece of cardboard as a floor of this hydraulic lift. It is to make sure that the pole is in the right place. I take the half meter tube and cut it in half. The tube then are inserted to the nozzle of the syringe. The small syringe which is glued to the pole are now connected to the nozzle of the big syringe that will be glued to the floor of this project. The colored water are then added and then our project is done.
So what happened in the finished project is, when the big syringe that are glued to the floor of this project is pulled, the force that are created inside of the tube gonna go into the big syringe, making the small syringe at the top going upwards. This has resulted in Pascal principle. The lift then will go upwards and lifting the load.
In conclusion, a hydraulic lift moves objects using the force created by pressure on a liquid inside a cylinder that moves a piston upward. The principle of hydraulic lift is based on the Pascal law for generating force or motion, which states the pressure change on an incompressible liquid in a confined space in passes equal throughout the liquid in all directions. Hydraulic lift provide control and precision force. The sturdy and durable design of hydraulic lift had made them popular in a wide variety of industry.
The Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) and the American National Standards Institute (ANSI) have specific requirements regarding the operation of hydraulic lifts and training for operators. Lift tables have become popular as work surfaces that can be positioned at the exact height necessary to package, assemble, organize, and position items.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.